Hey, welcome back. I am Apurva Vedmutha and this is the Journal of Small Musings, a podcast focused on topics around motivation, independence, and productivity. So, I'm here to address a few issues that I have been facing and what I did to solve them. Since the COVID thing started, suddenly there was a lot of free time, and many of us were not sure what to do with it. Just like every other teenager, I started spending more and more time on Instagram and YouTube, especially on the 30-second Reels section. Yeah, it was all fun and games until the shit started affecting me mentally. I couldn't focus on anything more than 30 seconds. I reached back for my phone again and again and again. So I started reading about it. Our brain works on a reward and punishment system. So every time we do something that stimulates our brain, it gives us the happy juice, or in medical terms, dopamine. This is the same chemical that makes us happy. The more short-term stimulus we provide to our brain, the more it will crave for it, and hence our attention spans are decreased to 30 seconds. Now, how to get away from it? Now, first thing we need to do is we need to strip away from things that actually distract us. In my case, the reels. One of the most important thing that is also responsible for creating the stress and the panic are the little notification, the beeps and the boops that your phone makes. Every time my phone has that shitty notification bell, and every time it rings, I am in anxiety mode 100, that I am thinking like, who has messaged me now? Should I reply it right now? Should it be addressed right now? Have I received an important mail? Have I got that job? Is it from my boss? Well, is there a meeting? Did I miss my meeting? Did I have a missed call? Did I miss an important call? And what not? My anxiety just kicks in. So I found a few important features that almost every Android phone has, and I think they will be useful for anybody who has monstrous anxiety and panic issues like me. One is the Digital Wellbeing app. It is a built-in app in almost every Android mobile phone, and what it does is it has a focus mode that basically strips your access to some specific apps that are unnecessary in its sense or are more contributing to distracting you. The main focus of the app is to decrease your screen time, which it can successfully do if you give it enough importance. Okay, the second important thing is using the focus mode only when you are working. Okay, because come on, you need a break as well. There's a technique named as Pomodoro technique. In the particular technique, what you do is you work for some time, then take a break for 5 minutes, then again work for the same amount of time, then take a break. And another important thing about the breaks is that you need to change places when you're taking a break. Go to another room, go to a different place. Don't take a break in the same place, in the same chair, in front of the same laptop or your desk, because when you do that, you cannot trick the brain that you are relinquishing it from the work. So read about it. I might even cover it in one of our next episodes, so that is also useful. I have been doing this since a week now, and certainly I feel better at concentrating at stuff. I had been successful in reducing my screen time from 8 hours to 5 hours a day. I see that as an absolute win. I guess that's all for this episode. Meet you next time. Keep hustling.